Algorand cost genuinely equivalent to $0.1108 a coin in a kind of significant manner. The present exchanged cost range $0.1067, $0.1132, which truly is genuinely huge. The earlier day close $0.1117 in an unpretentious way. The change for the most part was 0.0009. 0.81% in opposition to mainstream thinking. Reverse rate, United States dollars to Algo, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Algorand value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, July 10, cost $0.11, especially greatest 0.12, essentially least 0.10, in every way that really matters, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, July 11, cost $0.11, fundamentally most extreme 0.12, least 0.10, which really is genuinely huge. Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, July 12, cost $0.10, lovely greatest 0.11, especially least 0.09 in an unobtrusive way. Algorand conjecture on Thursday, July 13, cost $0.10, sort of most extreme 0.11, by and large least 0.09 in an especially significant manner. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, July 14, cost $0.10, kind of greatest 0.11, sort of least 0.09. In multi-week Algorand figure on Monday, July 17, cost $0.10, greatest 0.11, certainly least 0.09 amazingly. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, July 18, cost $0.10, extremely greatest 0.11, beautiful least 0.09, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Algorand estimate on Wednesday, July 19, cost $0.11, really most extreme 0.12, kind of least 0.10 in a quite enormous manner. Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, July 20, cost $0.11, especially most extreme 0.12, fundamentally least 0.10. Algorand gauge on Friday, July 21, cost $0.11, certainly greatest 0.12, least 0.10 in a sort of large way. In about 14 days Algorand cost expectation on Monday, July 24, cost $0.10, sort of greatest 0.11 in every practical sense, least 0.09. Or so they for the most part thought. Algorand figure on Tuesday, July 25, cost $0.10, by and large most extreme 0.11, beautiful least 0.09, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, July 26, cost $0.09, especially most extreme 0.10, genuinely least 0.08, in spite of mainstream thinking. Algorand gauge on Thursday, July 27, cost $0.09, beautiful greatest 0.10, kind of least 0.08, which really is very huge. Algorand cost forecast on Friday, July 28, cost $0.09, genuinely greatest 0.10, kind of least 0.08 in a quite enormous manner. In 3 weeks Algorand gauge on Monday, July 31, cost $0.10, really greatest 0.11, beautiful least 0.09, which generally is very huge. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, August 1, cost $0.10, sort of most extreme 0.11, least 0.09, which by and large is very huge. Algorand estimate on Wednesday, August 2, cost $0.10, especially most extreme 0.11, certainly least 0.09 in an exceptionally significant way. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, August 3, cost $0.10, truly greatest 0.11, most certainly least 0.09, which by and large is genuinely huge. Algorand estimate on Friday, August 4, cost $0.10, most certainly greatest 0.11, sort of least 0.09 in an unpretentious way. In about a month Algorand cost forecast on Monday, August 7, cost $0.10, extremely greatest 0.11, exceptionally least 0.09, or so they really thought. Algorand gauge on Tuesday, August 8, cost $0.10, kind of greatest 0.11, least 0.09 in a very significant way. United States dollars to Algo today. United States dollars to Algo swapping scale in every practical sense, equivalent to 9.0253 coins per $1, exhibiting that in about 14 days. Algorand cost forecast on Monday, July 24, cost $0.10, most extreme 0.11, least 0.09 in a truly significant way. Today's reach, 8.8339 to 9.3721. Showing how Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, August 1, cost $0.10, beautiful most extreme 0.11, by and large least 0.09. Or so they basically thought. The past AS nearby, 8.9526, showing how Algorand estimate on Thursday, July 13, cost $0.10, sort of greatest 0.11, especially least 0.09 incredibly. Change for now plus 0.0727, plus 0.81%, which really is very critical. United States dollars to Algo cost gauge for, in the not-so-distant future and month, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dollar to Algorand gauge on Monday, July 10, cost 9.091 coins, exceptionally most extreme 10.000, especially least 8.333 in an in every practical sense, significant way. United States dollars to Algo expectation on Tuesday, July 11, cost 9.091 coins, greatest 10.000, genuinely least 8.333. So Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, July 26, cost $0.09, especially most extreme 0.10, truly least 0.08 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Algorand figure on Wednesday, July 12, cost 10.000 coins, lovely most extreme 11.111, exceptionally least 9.091. United States dollars to Algo expectation on Thursday, July 13, cost 10.000 coins, kind of most extreme 11.111, lovely least 9.091. Dollar to Algorand gauge on Friday, July 14, cost 10.000 coins, essentially most extreme 11.111, certainly least 9.091, exhibiting how Algorand figure on Tuesday, July 11, cost $0.11, truly greatest 0.12, especially least 0.10, in multi-week United States dollars to Algo expectation on Monday, July 17, cost 10.000 coins, really greatest 11.111, exceptionally least 9.091, which basically is very critical. Dollar to Algorand gauge on Tuesday, July 18, cost 10.000 coins, extremely greatest 11.111, kind of least